Lincoln partnered and we've been around since the beginning of Project MFG to provide support for the welding. And by support, we not only provide technical assistance, but we try to add elements to the program to put out the best students that we can. So we're trying to promote the trades to get those students into it. But not only that, but to connect them with the industry, right? We've got industry that's looking for welders and we've got training institutions that are teaching them. We just need to combine those and supply them with a student that's well-rounded, knowledgeable in welding, and has the hands-on experience as well. And really, Project MFG is one of those ways to build that workforce, and the exposure of the program to students that may be sitting on the sidelines saying, you know what, that may be something that I want to do. That looks like fun. I can make stuff with my hands. And so really promoting the trades as a great career.